Given that X follows a binomial distribution with n trials and probability of success P with mean 5 and standard deviation 2, find the values of n and p. That means you have to find the number of trials and the probability of success. We take solution. X follows a binomial distribution with n trials and probability of success p. The expectation of X, which is the mean, is simply equal to 5. This will simply imply that we know the mean of the binomial distribution is given by NP. NP is equal to 5. We call this one equation 1. Next, we have been told that the standard deviation is equal to 2. The standard deviation sigma is equal to 2. Then, the standard deviation is the square root of the variance of X. And this is simply equal to 2. Squaring both sides, this will give us the variance of X to be equal to 2 squared, which is 4. The variance of the binomial distribution is given by n times p times q, where q stands for the probability of failure. This is equal to 4. We know q is simply equal to 1 minus p. We are going to insert it here. Then this will give us np times 1 minus p is equal to 4. We call this one equation 2. By making use of equation 1 and equation 2, we can find the values of n and p. Let's write down the pair of equations. For equation 1, we have np is equal to 5. And equation 2, we have np times 1 minus p is equal to 4. Making use of equation 2, in equation 2, we are going to replace this np with 5. This will give us 5 times 1 minus p is equal to 4. Next step, we are going to divide both sides by 5. 5 times 1 minus p, we divide by 5, it will be equal to 4 all over 5. At the left hand side, 5 will cycle 5. Then this will give us 1 minus p to be equal to 4 fifths. Then we are looking for p. We are going to transfer 1 to the right hand side, which becomes negative. This will give us negative p to be equal to 4 on 5 minus 1, which can be expressed as 5 over 5. Then negative p will be equal to 4 minus 5 gives us negative 1 on 5. Then multiplying both sides by negative 1, since we are looking for p and probability cannot be negative, our p will simply be equal to negative 1 times negative 1 fifth gives us 1 fifth. This is p. Now by making use of equation 1, we can find n. Equation 1, we have np is equal to 5. Then n will simply be equal to 5 divided by p. This will imply that the n is simply equal to, we divide 5 by 1 fifth, which is simply equal to 5 over 1 times, we take the reciprocal, 5 over 1. And this will give us 25 over 1, which is 25. Here we conclude, therefore, comma, the binomial expansion has 25 trials and the probability of success P is simply equal to 1/5. That means we can write it as such. X follows a binomial distribution with 25 trials and probability of success 1/5. We are done with the solution of this question. If in case you have any doubts, feel free to drop your questions at the comment section. Please like the video, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for watching.